So finally, biggest direct test hiring is coming from HackerEarth. See, in this video, I will tell you 4 mass hiring which is coming from multiple companies, and the role they are providing: software engineer, junior software engineer, trainee role. So biggest opportunity होने वाली है. Don't miss this video. Understand each and everything because criteria is not mentioned in the website. And one more thing, if you skip this video, you were not able to update your resume and not get to shortlist your resume, because what I will tell you in this video about shortlisting and each and everything, nobody can tell you these things, and you all know better. So please watch till and understand the criteria, each and everything, then update your resume, then apply for this hiring. First, check this mail that Goldman Sachs sending mail to those students whose resume got shortlisted. Engineering analyst campus hiring program. Next step. See, one more thing I have to tell you that this is the aptitude test will be held on Saturday, March 29, and your pattern will be, duration is 120 and 70 questions are there, which is multiple choice questions like aptitude, pseudocode, and some tricky type questions like logical reasoning वगैरह. So there are multiple choice questions. Duration will be 120 and your question number of question will be 70 questions are there. Please be prepared for this hiring. First is aptitude test, then coursework is nothing. There is no shortlisting and this is not an elimination round. Then you will get into technical test. This is your elimination round, and then interview is there. So be prepared for this hiring because this is amazing opportunity. You will get to see the 1 lakh per month during an internship. Biggest opportunity is coming from Yes Technology. Yes Technology is hiring for software engineer data analysis job, and your location will be Hyderabad, Telangana. Published date you can see 21 March, and job ID is also here, so you can take referral as well. 0 to 2 year of experience candidates are eligible. 23, 24 and 22 batches eligible. Programming languages में Python, SQL is mandatory, and if you can add Django then go for this, and OpenAI also, because this will help you to get shortlist your resume because OpenAI is in boom. So please add this domain in your resume. any one database like Postgre और MS SQL में से दोनों में किसी एक पे कर सकते हो. Data analytics, machine learning and some other tools like Git, Docker, VS Code. These are very basic type tools. You must add in your resume these domains. So here is not written any batch degree, so you can apply if you completed your bachelor degree, engineering degree, so you can eligible because BE, BTech, BSc in computer science, IT, software engineering is eligible. Even BCA is also eligible, but you can clarify when click on apply now. So you will get to see the many fields like education field and personal details. तो सारी fill कर लो और वहाँ पे देख लो if there is option of BCA, BSc is there. So please select and apply as soon as possible. But update your resume because these skills are mandatory: programming, technology, database, data analytics, machine learning, cloud, and other tools like VS Code, Jira. See, Git, Docker, VS Code, Jira is like HTML, CSS, very easy and very basic thing. I mean HTML, CSS भी मैं कह रहा हूँ चलो थोड़ा सा up level हो सकता है, but these are very easy and very mandatory skills if you are going in a IT field. So please add this domain in your resume. So you will get to see the 5, 6, 7 LP based on experience, but minimum package will be 5 LP as a fresher. So please apply as soon as possible. So this will give you more benefit as compared to manually apply. So please take referral first. Otherwise, if you not get any referral, so please come here and apply manually. Next, another biggest hiring is coming from MTech. So like MEAME Tech, तो इसे भी MTech ही बोलेंगे. So the job title will be software junior developer. उल्टा बोल दिया, but junior software engineer होने वाला है. Your location will be Bangalore, and 23 March posting date. So please apply as soon as possible. BS degree in and MS degree is preferred in computer science, electrical, computer engineering, and the must skill is like C, C++, designing and programming concept is mandatory. First read these skills and you will get to see the very basic domains like you must add in your resume like troubleshooting, debugging, verbal written communication, and designing, developing, driving. तो ये चीज़ें mention कर दो resume में and you will get to see the resume shortlisting. But add Git, GitHub, and here you can see VS Code, Jira. Add these domain also in your resume because the software engineer role is there. So Git, GitHub, Docker, Jira, any project management tool, communication skill, interpersonal skills are mandatory for software engineers. So please add these domain in your resume and add C, C++ at the top of the resume, means top of the resume in skill section, and add also Visual Studio. like यहाँ पे तुम देख सकते हो VS Code जिस तरीके से यहाँ पे दिया गया था. add Visual Studio, Micro Visual Studio full form in your resume to get shortlisted because 80 ATS, first check job overview and job responsibilities, then check your resume. If ATS find any domain, like if you add Microsoft Visual Code and ATS check in job responsibility, अगर उसको सेम मिलता है तो तुम्हारे चांसेस हाई होते हैं रेज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्टिंग के. सो प्लीज ऐड डोमेन्स एज मच एज पॉसिबल. GUI, C++, C#, SDK, BSDK भी कर सकते हो, C# और Visual Studio Code. Add these domain in your resume and please apply as soon as possible. So if you are a graduate student, then you can apply because here is not anything mentioned like pursuing candidates. So please apply as soon as possible. Next, biggest direct test hiring is coming from HackerEarth, and you can see full stack 4Age code build innovate challenges begin, and that is live also. So start date was March 70 and end date will be April 20. So you have to complete your exam within these date, and your hackathon is online. You can see there is 3 positions, means 3 role hiring, like full stack developer, front end intern and back end intern. There is only 1 position but you have to attend this. मेरे हिसाब से तो अटेंड करना चाहिए, अगर होता है तो ठीक है, नहीं होता कोई बात नहीं है, बट यू हैव टू अटेंड दिस टाइप ऑफ हैकाथॉन्स. ये तो मैं काफी प्रिपेयर करते हैं, ठीक है. तो प्रोजेक्ट स्कोप एंड रिक्वायरमेंट यू कैन रीड यार, आई डोंट टेल यू, तुम आराम से रीड कर लेना, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. गाइडलाइन ऑल्सो तुमको रीड करना जरूरी है बिकॉज यू हैव टू पुश योर कोड, रीडमी कैसी होनी चाहिए वगैरह वगैरह है. टेस्टिंग गाइडलाइन इज ऑल्सो रिटन देयर, बट आई विल टेल यू ओनली दिस थिंग, लाइक प्राइस वगैरह भी तुम देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे काफी कुछ मिलेगा. बट हियर इज ऑल्सो नॉट रिटन एनी बैच एंड डिग्री वगैरह. तो क्या करो कि क्लिक ऑन रजिस्टर एंड अप्लाई. इफ यू आर इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट परसुइंग ग्रेजुएटेड, सो प्लीज अप्लाई as soon as possible. Take part in this hackathon because already 2000 student already registered, and team size allow is 1 because you will participate individually, not in team. So please apply as soon as possible. Next biggest hiring is coming from Kony Cranes, which is hiring for trainee SAP security domain, and you will, so here is not any certificate mandatory for SAP. so तुम्हें करना कुछ नहीं है. लोकेशन विल बी पुणे एंड ट्रेनी रोल इज देयर. IT रोल है, पूरा engineering role है, full time opportunity है, hybrid role is there. So you have to scroll down and you will see that SAP understanding is mandatory, but see, SAP understanding is mandatory, SAP end user working experience is mandatory, but you can see certificate is preferred, not mandatory. So add general skills, all general skills in your resume, like computers, IT system, AI/ML and in bracket write basic. Interpersonal skills add in your resume. That's it. You will get to see the resume shortlistings because bachelor and master degree both are eligible. 0 to 1 year of experience is needed in SAP, means a fresher are eligible, and no need of certificate is required. So if you are from 23, 24, 25 batch and even 22 batch, so you can apply. Do one thing, add in your resume more domains, like add basic understanding of this AI/ML. ITL also you can mention because it is preferred, not mandatory, बट अगर तुम कर दोगे तो चांसेस ज़्यादा होंगे. तो प्लीज़ ऐड एज मच एज डोमेन इन योर रेज्यूमे टू गेट शॉर्टलिस्ट, एंड रीड रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू विल गेट टू सी द मोर डोमेन्स इन दिस फील्ड. सो ये मासी हायरिंग समझ के अप्लाई करना बिकॉज दीज ऑल हायरिंग्स आर फॉर फ्रेशर्स. सो प्लीज़ अप्लाई, टेक रेफरल, देन अप्लाई मैनुअली इफ यू नॉट गेट एनी रेफरल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.